like a bouquet of flyers.
Then you just change your whole approach here.
Yeah. Completely revamped.
So walk me through what you're doing here. Oh, so they can go anywhere.
Yeah, they're loose.
That's a lot safer.
No, I don't like that.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think
Well,
it's
it's any direction, but I'm just saying that
They're all gonna go up.
they can get to every width, you know what I mean? Every, what's that thing called?
I think it's more fun when they're all shooting the thing.
They're all shooting gentlemen.
Alright. Whatever. It's your time to shine. That was my idea.
Even though you just took it over.
Well, I'm rocking something.
This is being filmed too. You know? What do you mean? What do you think? More?
Yes. Yes. Never have too much.
You can never have too much stuff, and the longer the fire goes, the better. Put a plain paper towels.
What we're actually gonna do is light it in the
Poor
house.
Zoe.
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds like a plan.
Hey, why don't you, that's a good idea. Put it like, maybe in front of the house to shoot towards the woods, huh?
Is that enough?
That's good.
Beautiful.
And we're going.
Whoa, this is weird. What is this?
Oh, John Norman sent that to me. That's the baby.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he said thanks. He said they're really pumped up about it.
What is your plan?
Should we call this one the big one?
We should probably call it
This is the
fire
finale.
department.
Lit it. Light it.
We only got a second. We gotta
Oh, shy.
We gotta go. Oh. My, you gotta go. You gotta go. Flame on, man.
Come on, girl. You got a little more left in you.
She's coming. There we
Here she
go.
comes.
Ow, my hand hurt.
Don't be shy. Here it is.
Oh.
Get out of there, Mike. Get out of there. Come on, girl. Here it is. Oh my God!
Ridiculous.
Not have gone any better.
Can I get an initial reaction?
It was a slow,
That was
slow
amazing.
start.
That was bad.
Slow stars, but it picked
It picked up in the end. Woo! Woo! We still got him.
Got some stragglers.
All right. Everybody safe?
Everybody's good.
All right.